should go and study this. No more advice here because me a cocoa farmer.
It was for Papa no deo, Mama no deo. If you want to kill me, make I die. I will never do didi. It was for say cocoa farm boyfu. Cocoa farmers on boyfu pa. Nah, I answer. I say nani say. Ube kaya before election. Era at 2,000. Any papa, John Mahama. One I'm go promise cocoa for say. Omuba cocoa price no one back. Omudi beko. I then any cry 6,500. So I'm catch a cocoa for. A cocoa for the MC. Yeah. Or the Asempa Nabo. 6,500 per bag. Or the Asempa Nabo. 6,500 per bag. So cocoa for now to Sanyum. Nanyum say depa. Na omutu nyom no wie na 7 December na ko 2 aba no man about 8 no. Because now omunim say jama cocoa price no dey it cost 6,500. After the be announced, I said April Fool 128 to spend a day to sumamo. And the announcement no year after go for Martina say, when you was now Muntiasi. Mse debut a year 128 cities no. ABI slip of tank. Anya she crown a 1,002 and I say 128. I buy no say 128. And I'm say okay. And yeah. Say 128 Ghana cities per dia omudi omumpe. Now omusi pass ombe train ama cocoa no be ripe. Now omudi akoje sa sika fiano sese fiano. Ende the omwa omudi omusa ebe twa cocoa egu. Enti enu na ekoso. Omusi omucha na ewia. Na assassin nom dia yegalam say. With leader you no options. Because you see, broken heart yeah. Say and a promise and fail so yeah. Ade ba kwa your broken heart ne mu say promise and fail no. Because you promise ne pa ne say uni na na be ko na failing ne pa no. Same way na NDC for promise cocoa for say omuni omo na be ko 6,500 na be ko after ma fail you. Enti cocoa for mubu fu brutal. Mucha easy. But if I watch a video, anyway, you mean I make Asempa, or the Asempa Nabo. Watch a video.
Inti saoba na oba na say me kai pa say masa sibi na a friend say chibi esikem. Na iskophobia ba say ye ba between no ye be moska. Me hwe sa ska no mo de be ma no ma ba be twa asase no ma to agu. Okay,
so ba kusi sempe we no Ochagu because no. What you say?
Sadly, we say no. It's politically motivated.
We know.
Yeah. Whoever did it should bow his head down in shame. We see, and the security agencies must look for Nipana.
We know.
While you see me, you see, in the first place, no. Cocoa board. When we say cocoa, do you cocoa do you see what for more? In the first place, no. I buy and sika through research. Near use Cocoa Research Institute for
cocoa asusa.
Yeah, use Cocoa Research Institute for. No, they develop hybrid cocoa. No, the nursery no. Oman nursery. No, the a supply of free say codia. Who do you cocoa new year? Ya say Cocoa Health and Extension Division. Our monso ba aba say cocoa no. I will do no so no. Cocoa no bet me anya hoden na de agina na ban say sika e de to extension officers ka o ma hwe cocoa no so edru ba bia cocoa no cocoa no bi kra ye won mpane pollination artifact pane ya ma bi ye ho ya trinu a won be wo cocoa no mpane nkete se na be ya cocoa no bet me aso bebre wo so e ne wo be spray so se na be ya kate and your friend say ada ya intimi enye no ya yeni nyina na ban say sika wo ho aban san bro spray machine na san bro nura ye be spray we no so free enti yes ade we nyina cocoa no becomes an economic tree now when you say ya tifo uwafu na odum si mu a unni tumi se ba hobu
nyodia
wa na wodo afu na odum na wahwe so a bata nyodia upese utwa age se ukoji permit every forestry department for ho and sanda wakwa akotwa sa odum no omo mo akwan a wona odu akra untimi twa the same thing koko na esi ho no nyodia economic tree enti se okogina ho na akase na koko na eto so no anto so yi. Look, this is the one of the biggest increase in dollar term I dey to koko so over $5,000.
That conversation ebe ko
me person
worrying to see these things happening without people going unpunished.
This measure that balance I deal with there. We have called the national security agencies and all obi a unim sankofo ni bia because na tie bia sa nipa no otwa koko no ofri community bim ofri district bim enti our MMDCs are members of parliament, those in charge of duty bearers, the cocoa growing areas. No, they should be able to fish out this person, and he must face the full rigors of the law. Because you cannot get upset. And now, me to cocoa, me cocoa aso. That is why I say we should do a proper scientific research. They analyze the lifestyle of people who have sold their cocoa about 10 years ago and now home at it. If you are Sikane Counts and hey, Ubidi Baby, no cocoa 30 years yet so. When we take cocoa, I would do it. When we say that's what so. Our man po haya cocoa not take cocoa for Emma. Ya jije nso ama aye ayi tourist attraction kofo kwa kuko no egusu nsuo egusu nru yeto enti no this must be punished. And indeed I am happy to announce say a new law has been prepared they go to parliament and by cocoa board through attorney general be go to parliament and
adediasem
ede o she ebeto nkofo so say untimi ntwa kokofo without authorization. Yeah, the embrano cry is in such a way, say project be now person or your cocoa phone. Now be trouble 10 acres of cocoa. Could do 20 acres of cocoa. If I replace 10 acres now, we try not any and send our project now. Why? It's the law, it's here. We are preparing, it's going to parliament. Until be no bet me sorry keke. I can say me sorry ma kucha cocoa at the ego. Sisi AYɛka say I'm no say. It is the strong seed. And the only people make I say one more suffer, anytime that your currency becomes strong, those who are engaged in export, I want you to one more engaged in import, I want to Ubia or Kreniama or so the dollar, ecotono, and the dollar number 10 between 10 and 11. No. Ni anan ko 17 better no or the 10 and 11 to ultimately be breba nti ema import cheap.
So chairman
na cocoa board anati cocoa no bibia ye bia no cocoa ne koto no ma no ne e de dollar no e de aba